Constantatu, how are you? Mary Allen here. Beginning of my Bridget's weekend. As I was coming across Blackfriars Bridge, I saw an Irish wolfhound, and I feel like that could be the equivalent of a black cat for luck, an Irish wolfhound. Look at this. It's a beautiful day on Bridget's weekend, and I'm just having, after being at the most beautiful event organised by the Women's Irish Network here in the Bankside Hotel. We're definitely starting to get those gorgeous Irish vibes happening. So I had a breakfast, like a gorgeous breakfast with the wonderful women at Wynn. So if you don't happen to be going to Ireland to celebrate our national holiday, you can join me on Sunday in the Irish Cultural Centre in Hammersmith. And I'm pretty sure there's some tickets will fit you in. Come on ahead on the Sunday morning at 11 o'clock. And then if you happen to actually miss that one, I am doing a meditation course every Wednesday evening, starting next Wednesday, the 5th of Feb. So come after work for 6 weeks and learn how to meditate with me, but using Irish mantras. And then if you can't do any of those things, but you really want to connect to some Irish culture, I also have What Marie Can Do, my online course, which is live now, and I've kept it at the lowest possible price just to keep that early bird discount going for as long as I possibly can. And so we're celebrating Goddess Bríg this weekend, but that is the Marie, another amazing Irish goddess. And really what the mythology is, it was like the psychology of old, and it just helps us learn about ourselves and lean into these great scale stories. So anyway, I want to say GRMA from me, big love to you all. I hope to see you Sunday or Wednesday. I wish you all a very happy Fhéile Bríde, and I hope you can lean into all the good stuff that involves. Slán go fóill. See you soon.